Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add fog in Roblox. First of all, open your Roblox Studio and make sure you are working in the place where you want to add the fog effect. Once you are in, head over to the Explorer window and look for the lighting options from the list. From the drop-down menu, click on Atmosphere. This will open up the properties of the lighting settings in your game. Next, find the Haze section under the lighting properties. Increase the haze to see how it affects the overall visibility. You will notice the horizon becoming more blurred, giving a foggy effect. Now, look for the density setting and increase the size. As you adjust this, you will see the fog becoming thicker, creating a denser atmosphere that can add a dramatic effect to your game's environment. To further customize the look, you can adjust the color setting to give the fog a unique appearance. You can set this to any color you want by choosing a color value that suits your game. Play around with these settings to see how the fog affects the atmosphere of your game. Remember, adding too much fog can make your game look blurry. So make sure to experiment with these settings until you find the perfect look. And that's it, now you know how to add fog in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.